In this video, we will create this effect using geometry nodes. We will proceed using the default cube, and replace it with a sphere object later. Add a curve circle, to be used as a path. Set the radius to 10 and add join geometry to check the trajectory. Because the key is to create multiple objects that move along the path. Add a curve to points node. Add a set position node and a sample curve node. If you connect the curve socket and the position socket to each other, you can animate according to the factor value. Add a scene time node to animate it. To repeat the animation, add a math node and switch to fraction mode. To increase the number of points moving along the trajectory, add one more math node and connect it by adding a random value node. To convert points on the trajectory to instances, add an instance on points node and connect to the instance socket. Connect cubes. To achieve the tapering effect by changing the size, add a random value node and connect it to the scale socket. Add a map range node. Adjust the random value and map range node appropriately to achieve the desired effect. Changes the cube used as an instance to a sphere object. Try to find the effect you want. For a video about the part where the sphere and cube change shape, refer to the video on the card above. This video ends here. Thank you.